you something about Iceland. We are here. Only 380,000 inhabitants live in Iceland, and 70% inhabitants of the Iceland actually live in Reykjavik. 240,000 people live in Reykjavik. And the interesting thing is Reykjavik is the capital and only the city in the whole island actually. The rest all are small towns and the villages according to the municipality record. And I would like to tell you why we call this place the land of ice and fire. Because one of the largest water glacier of the whole Europe is actually located here in Iceland. And this glacier name is Vatnajökull and located at south and east of the Iceland. Our first attraction called Thingvellir National Park, and the word actually Þingi means parliament in Icelandic language. Thing or Þingi, and the Vellir means lava fields.
A few moments later.
Part of our day tour, and we are at the Thingvellir. Bababa tayo dyan. So what you are seeing right now are wide lava field where you can see the cracks and faults of the tectonic plates. This place is very significant to all the Icelandic as the site of the first Parliament of Iceland, a UNESCO heritage, and this place is where North American and Eurasian tectonic plate meet. And every year, this portion changes as it drifts apart or get closer. This is the largest natural lake of Iceland and even become more popular as the Game of Thrones TV series shots one of its episodes here. So ito yung current situation namin ngayon. Tingnan nyo naman ang mga face namin. Oh my god, I just super love the place. Very picturesque, and then alam nyo yung mga nakikita nyo lang sa poster, mga postcard, mga ganon, mga magazines, but it's more beautiful in person pag makikita mo siya na in person. Sana makakita ako ng Pilipino dito.
Filipino?
Kabaya! Nagkalat ang mga Pilipino kahit saan. Please. What can you say about the place? Ate?
It's cold. It's freezing cold.
Do you like it?
But yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Okay, very picturesque.